In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Pinterest using your Google account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. The first step is to open Pinterest in your web browser. So go ahead and launch your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in pinterest.com and hit enter. This will take you right to the Pinterest homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the login prompt. You should see options to sign in. Since we're going to use your Google account, you need to find the button that says Continue with Google. This button is typically prominently displayed on the login page, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking Continue with Google, a new window or a drop-down might appear asking you to select which Google account you want to use for logging into Pinterest. If you have multiple Google accounts set up on your browser, you'll see them listed here. Go ahead and click on the account you wish to use. Now, if this is the first time you're logging into Pinterest with your Google account, Google might ask you for some confirmation. This is just to ensure that it is you trying to access Pinterest with that account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Keep an eye out for any permissions that it may ask you to grant to link your Google account with Pinterest. It's always a good idea to read through these permissions so you're fully aware of what you're allowing. Once you've confirmed everything, Pinterest will log you in automatically. You should now find yourself on your Pinterest feed, ready to explore and pin away. If you encounter any issues while logging in, don't worry. Sometimes it can be a matter of things like browser extensions interfering or cookies needing to be cleared. If you're having trouble, a quick fix is to try using a different web browser or clearing the current browser's cache and cookies. This can often solve many login problems. One last note, if you've logged in successfully, make sure to check that your account settings are how you want them. It's always a good idea to review your security settings and ensure that everything is in order, especially if you are linking accounts. And there you go. You've logged into Pinterest with your Google account like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to show your support by giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We have so many more helpful tips and tutorials coming your way, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on any of them. Thanks for watching.